Welcome back to Cars Zone. In this video I break down the full experience review of Lamborghini Revuelto. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. The Lamborghini Revuelto represents a significant leap in automotive innovation, blending electrified performance with the brand's iconic design and luxury. Here's an in-depth review covering its interior, exterior, safety features, performance, and pricing. Interior review. The Revuelto's interior embodies Lamborghini's "feel like a pilot" philosophy, emphasizing a driver-centric layout with symmetrical design elements. The cockpit features simple volumes and exclusive hexagon-shaped components that pay homage to past models while introducing new functionalities. High-quality materials, including leather-trimmed sports seats and a performance-oriented steering wheel, enhance the luxurious feel. The advanced infotainment system comprises a 12.3-inch driver display, an 8.4-inch vertical touchscreen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display, ensuring seamless connectivity and control for both occupants. Exterior review. The Revuelto's exterior design is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Its sharp lines and aggressive stance are not only visually striking but also functional, contributing to enhanced aerodynamics. The car's silhouette reflects a harmonious blend of form and function, embodying the brand's distinctive design language. Safety features. While the Revuelto prioritizes performance, it also incorporates essential safety features to ensure driver and passenger protection. Standard equipment includes parking sensors, multiple airbags, an anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic brake force distribution, EBD, electronic stability control, ESC, a tire pressure monitoring system, and a rear-view camera. For enhanced safety, Lamborghini offers optional features such as surround view cameras, which are recommended for comprehensive situational awareness. Performance. At the heart of the Revuelto lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, complemented by 3 electric motors, culminating in a total output of 1,001 horsepower. This powertrain enables the Revuelto to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 2.3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 217 miles per hour. The integration of electric motors not only boosts performance but also allows for short-distance electric-only driving, enhancing efficiency and providing a quieter driving experience when desired. Pricing. The 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto starts at $608,358. Customization options, such as exclusive paint choices and carbon fiber enhancements, can significantly increase the overall cost. For instance, certain paint options may add $15,000, while carbon fiber packages can contribute nearly $100,000 to the price. It's advisable to consult with a Lamborghini dealership to explore available options and obtain an accurate pricing estimate based on individual preferences. In summary, the Lamborghini Revuelto seamlessly integrates electrified performance with luxury and cutting-edge technology, setting a new benchmark in the realm of hybrid supercars. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates.